Hey everyone, today we're going to give the Make It Mini Spa loofah a little handle. So let's open this baby up. Maybe I'll get my eucalyptus one that I want. It's a good sign. It's got the blue loofah. Yay! And yes, it's my eucalyptus sugar scrub. So exciting. All right, now you're going to take a skinny stick and knives are sharp. Be careful. Cut your skinny stick so it's skinnier than it already was. Like so. Then you're going to sand it. Now I take my miniature drill and I drill a small hole at one end. Very carefully because you can crack your skinny stick if you're not careful. Make sure to sand after you're done. Now, you're going to take the string out of the loofah. And it just pulls right out, super easy. Then undo the knot of the string because we're going to use this again as well. All right. Cut your stick down to about 2 3/4 inches and then string the string through the hole. Next, you're going to tie up your strings into a knot again. Trim off any extra. Now, the skinny stick is a little thick to get through the loofah, so I cut it down slightly, like so. Then you got to find the center of the loofah again and stick your stick through. And there it is. Isn't it cute? How fun is that? Scrubba scrubba.